Tonight is not an ordinary night. Most people see another day of Ramadan ending. They eat, they scroll on their phones, then they sleep. But something very special is happening tonight that many hearts miss. The 20th night of Ramadan arrives like a quiet door of mercy. While the world becomes silent, Allah looks at the hearts that turn back to Him. Think about your life for a moment. Some days feel heavy. You try to stay strong, but worries keep coming. Bills, responsibilities, family problems, stress about the future. Sometimes your heart feels tired. You pray, but you still wonder when things will change. Ramadan comes every year to heal that tired heart. And when the 20th night arrives, something important begins. The last 10 nights of Ramadan are about to start. These nights are the most powerful nights of the entire year. Nights when Allah gives forgiveness. Nights when prayers rise higher. Nights when one sincere dua can change everything. The 20th night feels like a gentle reminder from Allah. It is as if Allah is telling you, prepare your heart. Come closer to me. Your moment is near. Many people enter Ramadan with hope. They want peace. They want forgiveness. They want their problems to become easier. But life distractions slowly pull them away. Work continues. Phones keep buzzing. Days pass quickly. Then suddenly the 20th night arrives. And your heart realizes something. Ramadan is moving fast. The most powerful nights are right in front of you. This is the moment when many hearts wake up again. Someone sits quietly after everyone sleeps. The room is dark and silent. They raise their hands and speak to Allah. Maybe their words are simple. Allah, my heart feels heavy. Allah, I need your help. Allah, please guide me. Those words might sound small, but to Allah, they mean everything. Allah listens to every whisper, every tear, every feeling hidden deep inside your chest. You may feel alone in your room, but you are never alone when you speak to Allah. Many people think they need perfect words to make dua. They believe they must say long, beautiful prayers. But Allah loves honesty. A broken heart speaking simple words can be more powerful than perfect sentences. When you speak to Allah with sincerity, your prayer reaches Him immediately. On the 20th night, Allah watches His servants returning to Him. Some people pray after many months. Some people cry for the first time in years. Some people finally admit their mistakes and ask for forgiveness. And Allah loves when His servant returns. Allah is more merciful than we can imagine. No mistake is too big. No past is too dark. No heart is too far. The moment you turn back to Allah, His mercy opens. Maybe you feel your prayers have been delayed. Maybe you asked Allah for something many times, and you are still waiting. But Allah always hears you. Sometimes Allah changes your situation. Sometimes Allah changes your heart first. He gives you patience. He gives you strength. He gives you peace before the solution arrives. The 20th night is a reminder that Allah is always working behind the scenes, even when you cannot see it. Think about this moment tonight. While millions of people sleep, some hearts wake up to pray. Some people open the Quran. Some people sit quietly and ask Allah for forgiveness. Those small moments are very precious. One sincere dua can open a door you thought would never open. One tear can wash away years of mistakes. One night of sincerity can bring a new direction to your life. That is the beauty of these nights. The 20th night prepares your heart for the most powerful nights of Ramadan. Nights that carry blessings greater than anything in this world. But the journey begins with one simple step. Turn to Allah. Speak to Him honestly. Ask Him for guidance. Ask Him to fix what feels broken in your life. And trust that Allah hears every word. Tonight could be the night your heart feels lighter. Tonight could be the night Allah brings peace into your chest. Tonight could be the night your life slowly begins to change. Do not let this night pass like any other night. Slow down. Make a sincere dua. Give your heart a few quiet minutes with Allah. You might walk away feeling a calm you have not felt in a long time. And if this reminder touched your heart, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who needs hope tonight, and subscribe for more reminders that bring hearts closer to Allah. May Allah fill your nights with mercy, your heart with peace, and your life with guidance.